guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to share files or folder between host and virtual machines. So without wasting time, let's get started. First I have entered to my Centos on virtual machine. I have installed it on virtual machine. If you don't know how to install it on virtual machine, the link is available in the description. Simple, I will enter Centos and then I will log in. As you can see, I have entered to my Centos. If you have installed another thing on your VirtualBox, like if you are using Windows itself or using Kali Linux or Ubuntu, the process is same, don't worry. So let me show you how it will work. First, you have to go to your file manager of Windows or Mac, which are your host. So I just open the file manager and now I will create a folder. I will create a folder in multimedia and just you can name it anything. I will name it share folder, share folder. Now, as you can see, I just created a folder in my host machine. My host is Windows 10. Your host can be Windows or Mac or anything. It can be anything. So now I will go to my virtual machine. It is Centos 7 and now simple click on the devices and then you have to go to shared folder and then share folder settings. In a few moments a pop-up will be appear and you can see pop-up is here machine folders and transient folders. So you don't have to do anything, just click on this icon, add new shared folder. Yeah, now we have to give its path. The path should be the same which we created an empty folder in our host machine. As you remembered, I created my shared folder in multimedia named as shared folder. Select folder and now you have to click on auto mount and make it permanent. You don't have to click read only. If you click on read only, it means that you don't share files from your virtual machines to host machine. So if you don't click it, it means that you can share files from your virtual machine to host machine or host machine to virtual machine respectively. So just click on auto mount and then make permanent and I will now click on OK. You can see share folder, it's the name of the folder and it is the path for the folder and access is full. So auto mount is yes. Make sure these settings should be the same. And now hit the OK button and here you can see. Just you can see SF share folder. SF means share folder and share folder is the name of folder that is created in a host machine. Now if you want to share anything between host and your virtual machine, you can share and let me show you. First I will show you can you share the files from host to virtual machine folder. I will go to pictures, screenshots and simple I will copy these screenshots and I will paste. Virtual machine, you can check that share folder will be empty. Yeah, here you can see share folder is also empty there. Folder is empty. So I close it and now I will go to there and simple paste the screenshots that I copied to the share folder. As you can see, I copied the screenshot from pictures and pasted it to the multimedia and share folder. Share folder is the main folder that we share between the host machine and the virtual machine. These are some pictures in my share folder. Let me show you. These will be visible to your virtual machine. Simple double click on SF folder and here you can see These files are available. Here you can see these are the available. Now if you want to share some files from your virtual machine to host machine, you can share easily. Simple, just copy and paste those files to the share folder. Let me show you how it will work. And just I will create a new folder. And folder is folder virtual machine. I created a folder in virtual machines to show that we can also share files from virtual machines to the host machine. As you can see, I created this folder in my virtual machine. So now I will check either this folder is visible in my host machine or not. So let's get see. Here you can see share folder and folder in virtual machine. This is available. Thank you for watching. For more video, stay connected with me. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. And take care. Bye.